Most people think machine learning in business looks like cutting-edge AI labs and futuristic robots. That's not reality. In 2026, machine learning is everywhere, but in quiet, practical ways. It's not about flashy innovation, it's about incremental improvements that scale. Small optimizations applied across millions of users, transactions, and decisions. That's where the real value is created. Think about this in a simple way. When you open Amazon, recommendations are not random. They're powered by machine learning models predicting what you're likely to buy. When you use Netflix, content suggestions are personalized based on your behavior. When you request a ride on Uber, pricing and driver matching are optimized in real time. These are not experimental systems. They are core to how these businesses operate daily. In practical terms, machine learning in real businesses is used for a few key functions. Prediction: what will the customer do next? Optimization: how to improve pricing, inventory, or operations. Automation: reducing manual decision-making. And personalization: tailoring experiences to individual users. These applications don't replace the business, they enhance it by making decisions faster and more accurate. But here's the part most people don't understand. Machine learning doesn't work in isolation. It sits inside a larger system. You need data pipelines to collect and clean data, infrastructure to run models, monitoring systems to track performance, and teams to interpret results. Without this ecosystem, even the best model is useless. That's why companies invest more in systems than in algorithms. This approach builds on decades of research, starting from early pioneers like Arthur Samuel, who introduced the idea of machines learning from data. But today, the focus has shifted. It's not about proving that machine learning works. It's about making it reliable, scalable, and integrated into real business processes. Now with AI advancements, things are moving even faster. Models are becoming more powerful, tools are becoming more accessible, and deployment is becoming easier. But this also creates a gap because while many people can run models, very few understand how to use them effectively in real business environments. And that's where the real demand is. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to hype technology. It's to show how it's actually used. Because once you understand machine learning in real businesses, you stop focusing on theory and start seeing how small, data-driven decisions create massive impact at scale. And that's when you move from learning concepts to understanding systems that actually work.